Hi, it's Donald's Innovations and Repairs. Me, Donald. Uh, hey, Kevin, you wanted to know what my LED bell lamp would sound like with the rubber ball, but with the sheath of leather applied to it. Well, here goes, and I'll show you. So this is what it looks like, and we'll give it a ding. Not bad. It really does change the sound. So that's the winner, the rubber ball with the leather on it. So the brass hammer that I showed you last time, I like that, but I like this much better. So thanks for the idea. Looks like I have a bit of a morning head. Oh well, doesn't bother me. See you later.